Sewan Abdurrahim, and to all my friends. I'm Nur Shafina binti Azlandi, and my other group members is Jarima Rosli and Nur Mila Abdurrashid will be presenting about the nitrogen cycle. These are the topics that we will discuss, which is introduction of nitrogen cycle and the processes involved such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification, denitrification, and mineralization. First of all, do you know what is nitrogen cycle? Well, nitrogen cycle is a circulation and transformation of nitrogen in the environment that consecutively passing from the atmosphere to the soil to organism and back into the atmosphere. It is also known as biochemical process which transform unit atmospheric nitrogen to a usable form for plants, animals, and other organisms, as it plays a crucial element for life, especially for the formation of proteins and DNA in organisms. The nitrogen cycle involves several interconnected processes which take place in soil, water, and the atmosphere that are driven by various microorganisms. Those processes are nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification, denitrification, and mineralization. The first two processes in nitrogen cycle, which are the first one is nitrogen fixation and nitrification. Nitrogen fixation is a process whereby the nitrogen gas from the atmosphere is converted into ammonia or nitrate by nitrogen fixing bacteria or lightning. This process is essential because most plants cannot use nitrogen directly from the atmosphere, while nitrification is the process whereby the ammonia produced by nitrogen fixation or released from decomposing organic matter is converted into nitrates and then nitrates by nitrifying bacteria, for example, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to Sewan Abdurrahim. My name is Jarima binti Rosli, and I would like to present the next or the other process involved in the nitrogen cycle, which is assimilation. In nitrogen cycle, assimilation refers to the process by which plants and other organisms take up the nitrogen compounds such as ammonium and nitrates from the soil and water and incorporate them into their biological molecules such as protein and nucleic acids, which in NH4+. NO3- also uptake in this process, but plants cannot cooperate with these molecules, which means have taken of the plant that have taken the NO3- nitrate, it has to be making protein and amino acids. So if plant taken up the NO3-, here the reduction process will be take place and will be reduced the NO3- into NO plus nitrate. This is where the reduction is taking place. And again, the nitrate will be reduced to NH4+ and incorporate into protein and amino acids. And so this is the whole process of the assimilation, how the end of the NH4+ or nitrate ions are used in protein and also amino acids, nucleic acids, and this process allows the nitrogen to be utilized by the living organism for their growth and development through the food chain. Next, we move to the next process involved in the nitrogen cycle, which is ammonification. Ammonification is the vital step in the nitrogen cycle where the organic nitrogen from dead organism faces other waste materials from animals or humans, and dead plants are converted into the ammonium, which is NH3 or ammonium ions NH4 plus by decomposers. And the decomposers is like bacteria and fungi. This process releases the nitrogen back into the soil, making it available for plants to use.
Next is mineralization. Mineralization is a process in the nitrogen cycle where organic nitrogen present in dead plant and animal matter is converted into inorganic forms of nitrogen, primarily ammonium ions. This conversion is facilitated by decomposer organisms such as bacteria and fungi, which break down complex organic nitrogen compounds into simple form, releasing ammonium ions into the soil. During mineralization, microorganisms metabolize organic matter as a source of energy and nutrients, releasing nitrogen as byproduct. This process is crucial for recycling nitrogen from organic materials back into the soil, making it available for uptake by plants and other organisms. And lastly is denitrification. Denitrification is a microbial process in the nitrogen cycle where nitrate ions are converted into nitrogen gas or nitrous oxide under an aerobic condition. Denitrifying bacteria such as Pseudomonas and Paracoccus species carry out this process in environments where oxygen is limited, such as waterlogged soil, saturated sediments, or poorly aerated environments. During denitrification, denitrifying bacteria use nitrate as an alternative electron acceptor for respiration in the absence of oxygen. This process involves a series of enzymatic reactions that sequentially reduce nitrate to nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, and ultimately to nitrogen gas, which is released into the atmosphere. Denitrification plays a crucial role in the nitrogen cycle by removing excess nitrate from the soil, thereby preventing its accumulation and potential loss through leaching or runoff. However, excessive denitrification can lead to nitrogen loss from soil, contributing to an environmental issue such as nitrate pollution of water bodies and emission of nitrous oxide. In conclusion, the nitrogen cycle is a vital process that facilitates the circulation of nitrogen throughout the environment, from the atmosphere to living organisms and back again. It ensures that nitrogen, an essential element for life, remains available for plant growth and ecosystem functioning, while also regulating nitrogen levels in various habitats to prevent imbalance and maintain environmental sustainability. That's all from us. Thank you.